There we go.
Toilet area, tub area, the outside section here, here, and then one piece right there. Those are the 4 that we need to do. All of these are done. And all of this is done. It's looking good. I'm excited to lay the tile today. At least get it going.
Yeah, it'll be good. Here we go.
You know when you make those faces, they make the video. Pull them up, babe. You just reminded me that we need to get the shop back up here too.
Yep, we actually need it right now.
Yeah.
You want to get those up, and I'll bring the shop back up.
Sure.
The cement board is all down. It's been cleaned, vacuumed, and we're ready to start tile. What I'm gonna do right now is measure the room to find the center of the room. I'm just gonna go wall to wall and then wall to wall this way. That'll allow me to find the center. I'm gonna snap chalk lines and then start in the center of the room and tile out from there. We're going to use a 1 square foot hexagon tile in this bathroom, spaced at 3/16 of an inch. So I'm gonna lay the chalk lines and get ready to go. It's 169 inches, so 14 foot 1 inch. So 7 foot ½ inch is the middle. Conveniently, I have a hole in the wall. Alright, so all the prep this morning to start tile took 2 hours and 15 minutes, and that was to clean everything up, mix the thin set, get everything that I need ready for that, lay the thin set, screw down all of the cement board, clean all the cement board up,
Like
measure,
vacuuming it.
yep, vacuuming, sinking the screws so that they're level, and then snapping the chalk lines. And now we're ready to start. So we'll see how much we can get done today. It's 11 o'clock as we start tiling. We'll see when we end and how much we get done.
Yeah.
That'll give us a good idea of whether or not we're gonna be behind tomorrow.
All right, let's get to work.
Ready, break. It's perfect. 3 1/4 inches.
Are we doing 3, like you do 1 and then 2, and then 1 and then 2? Is that how we're doing?
Sure. That'll work. Well, before we do any more, I actually have to lift this one back up and check coverage. First tile.
Yeah, you want to make sure it's good. No problemo. I know, I'm still working. I'm just so happy to be tiling. Was it good?
Yeah. Full coverage.
Full coverage.
I need tiles.
Yes, we need tile. I'm not quite sure how far to go yet. I mean, I know we'll get there, but.
I need more right here.
Oh, I need more right here. I didn't see where you pointed.
Right here.
Okay.
So you guys get used to the shape.
Right here?
Yeah.
We're getting really close to this first, what is it? The water line hole?
Yep. There's gotta be a way to keep
To
it
sturdy it. Steady it, I mean.
Like, normally with a hole saw, you have a drill bit that goes through the middle of it. I don't have that here. My hole saw for tile doesn't have a starter bit in it, so it's gonna walk if I try and cut the tile with just the bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the same size wood hole saw, cut a hole in this piece of wood, and then I'm gonna use that as a template to keep the tile saw from walking.
Voila.
There we go. Now, I can use this template on the tile to keep this from walking. Thanks, Jake.
How will you know when you've gone far enough?
I'll know.
That's how you know. How's it look though?
So there's a little chip right at the edge, but this whole piece is going to be covered by a plate.
Cool. So yeah, I mean, this is nearly perfect all the way around. There's just a tiny bit.
Yep.
I think that's quite good.
Yep. Check for fit.
You happy with that?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That looks nice. Good with the laser line? The laser must have gotten kicked.
Yeah. It's definitely gotten kicked.
I was gonna say, that looks
The chalk line is.
just about perfect. I mean, honestly, I don't think anybody could do that better.
Yeah, there's always room for improvement, but that's pretty good. I'm happy with that.
I love that you're a perfectionist when it comes to projects, but please take the compliment. You did a great job.
Okay with that? You want me to do that one
Nope,
again?
nope.
What do you-
It's under the toilet. I mean, under
Oh,
the.
it's under the tub.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yep,
Shift it a little bit.
it's under the tub.
it's under the tub.
Like I said, you could do a square. Wouldn't matter.
Hope this fits.
Meets it.
I mean, it's almost like I tried to do it that way.
It's pretty close.
I mean, if you call perfect pretty close, sure.
I say this is pretty good.
It's just math.
It's just math. Jonah, wait, Dad wants to.
Got lashes. The last hole.
Final circle.
Last tile before lunch.
You know, why don't we just take lunch now?
Okay, action.
Well, I messed that up.
I gotta go there. See, take two. Action.
Action.
Take two. Yay.
Yay.
First box? I don't know if he
Yep.
took any out
That
of the
was-
second.
I might have taken one out of the second box.
Cool. 4, 7, 11, 15. 15 tiles, babe.
Yep.
Woohoo!
15 tiles and 2
Oh.
cuts.
If only it wasn't.
Yes. So we didn't do too much filming of these tiles. However, I want to show you where we are right now. This tub area is done. Jonah just placed that last tile right there.
This guy.
Yep. We have worked our way out right here. Halfway in the toilet area. All these cuts are done. We're at a stopping point here. We need to get another tool. We're not quite halfway right here, but we've left ourselves enough room to be able to work tomorrow. We'll be able to come down here, come around, and then basically back ourselves to the door. And over here, we're gonna work a little bit towards the shower. And then there's the closet right there. And basically just kind of work around and come back out to the doorway. We're doing so good. I'm super tired. My knees,
Yeah.
my back. But I think that we did a really good job today. We have a little bit of mortar left in the bucket. So we're gonna finish that up and then we're gonna eat.
That's right. I think we will probably have to do one more half bucket of mortar tonight to really set ourselves up for success tomorrow.
To have a shorter day.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, back to work. I'm pretty sure that's crooked. Is it crooked?
Yes, it's very crooked.
It's artsy fartsy.
More fartsy than ours.
Oh.
We did start working at 8:45 this morning, but we had some prep that we had to do before we were able to start tiling. We finished all that and laid our first tile just after 11.
Yeah, 11:06.
So we are
We've been
7.5 hours in.
of just tiling.
Yeah, of just tiling.
Just tiling. But it's been like 10 hours of work.
Yep.
And unfortunately, we're not done.
Yeah, so we'll take a break for dinner and then we're gonna have to get back at it because tomorrow, the tiling is supposed to be done tomorrow.
Yes, in the timeline that we have, it has to be done tomorrow. We filled in this section here and we're going to finish just in here. Break for food and then back to tiling.
Yay!
Look how many we got done. So the majority of these tiles, Jonah had to cut along the edge, even this tile. And then while he was cutting, I was laying. So we got a lot done in a short amount of time. Happy. We have probably enough for what, like 3 or 4 tiles?
Maybe.
Or is it too dry?
No, it's fine.
I mean, this just, it's just, oh, I just love it. Just love it. Just love it. What a difference is this gonna make in this room. From linoleum to tile.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you would like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.